Hello, madam. My name is Kale Nidhi, and we are from Group 11. So this is our final project report for the application. So I like to start with the introduction first. So today, various kinds of businesses are setting up online stores because of technology. Various factors such as cheaper smartphones and cheaper internet packs, and people have started using more mobile apps. So the apps have made a lot of things convenient for the users. So for online food delivery can be defined a process delivery of food or takeout from the restaurant or local joint to a web page or mobile app. The customer can order food from their favorite restaurant, their choice of cuisine, and can decide whether to get it delivered to pick up from the restaurant, and can choose to pay from various modes such as cash on delivery, debit card, credit card, and mobile wallet. Next is objective of the apps. Seglan will be explaining.
Hi, my name is Segilan. I'm going to explain about the objective of the apps. The first point is to develop system that will surely satisfy the customer service. Next is to design system able to accommodate huge amounts of orders at a time. And third is to evaluate its performance and acceptability in terms of security, user-friendly, accuracy, and reliability. And next is to improve the communication between the client and the server and minimize the time of ordering. So I move on to my next member to explain about function.
All right. Hi, madam. My name is Darshan. So I'll be explaining about the difference of three similar app for food delivery. We choose about Grab Food, Food Panda, and Shopee Food. So basically, the three different things we have classified into few examples. For apps UI and UX, Grab Food has very intuitive for even newbies, and for Food Panda, an overall good experience, and for Shopee Food, intuitive interface and reliable payment system. So moving on with the price, GrabFood is not the cheapest but reasonable. For Food Panda, it's much higher delivery fee than GrabFood, and for Shopee Food, there's no promos. Prices are higher than the competitors. For the delivery time, not the fastest, but within expectation for GrabFood. For Food Panda, fastest delivery during the review process. For Shopee Food, fast delivery, but it works intended. But we have to take points for the many cancellation experience. For the service quality, GrabFood will use multiple items. For Food Panda, it'd be the second choice after GrabFood. And for Shopee Food, got other more dependable food delivery apps. For the riders, GrabFood has punctual and well-mannered riders. Moving on with the Panda, they have been few complaints about riders being not well-mannered. And for Shopee Food, delivery to doorstep, even your condominium request access card. So for the similarities of the three things is user-friendly website, payment via e-wallet such as Touch and Go, and response of customer service is fast, and last is operates 24/7. So moving on for my next member, they'll be explaining about short description about the mobile app design.
Uh, can you go a bit up, Kale? Down a bit. Go. I will explain about the short description. In the end of this project, our food ordering system using mobile application will be done in order to assist any restaurants. Customers are able to use their mobile device to place their food order in a convenient manner, and the staff of the restaurant are also able to use the mobile device to update the food menu. This system consists of client-side and server-side design. For the client side, customers will be able to view the menu, place order, give rating, and real-time feedback and check out from the system. The customer can choose to enable or disable message notification sent by the server. For the server side, the system will be able to let the staff to insert, delete, and update the menu. The system also allows staff or owner to send messages instantly to the customer about any food promotion and also update the food order status. Besides, this system also allows the owner to update the status of each of every food order. Move on to next member.
Right. So hi, I'll be explaining about the target user. So there's three for us for the app. The target user, one of it is college student and young adults. This is a popular demographic for meal delivery services as college student and young adult lives fast-paced life. With classes, active social lives, and new career, there's no time to think about what to make for dinner, let alone buy groceries. The next will be time pressured executive. Busy executive with days full of meetings, conference, and other time-consuming agendas who don't have time for eating out. Moreover, they often cannot find a few minutes to wait in the line when ordering food to go. People who barely have time to actually eat will depend on app to take care of everything else. So adding business lunches from nearby cafes or restaurants will with delivery to the office will surely help you reach the customers. For the last but not the least, people with children. Watching after kids and preparing food is time consuming even for non-working parents. And what happens when their time is cut off by 8 working hours? Many families handle this situation by eating out or ordering food at least 2 to 3 times per week. So moving on from my next member who will be explaining about the function of the apps.
Uh, Next is function of the apps. You have to find a restaurant, enter your area on the home page, browse from our extensive list of restaurants that deliver to your area, pick a restaurant you like and browse its menu. Next is order what you want. Build up your meal by choosing from any of your favorite restaurants, browse the menu and select the items you will like to order. If options are required, example pizza toppings, some other toppings, you will be asked to choose them one once you click an item. Your item will appear on your cart on the right. Third is checkout and payment. Once you are happy with your order, click on the order now button and enter your delivery address. Simply follow the checkout instruction from there. We currently only accept cash on delivery. Next is delivery. We will send you an SMS confirming your order and delivery time. Sit back and relax and wait for your piping hot food to be conveniently delivered to you. Next, move on to next member.
So see, this is our requirements for the app, and our app name is click to it. So for the Windows, we need 4 GB of memory and graphics card and AMD Radeon HD 7750 and CPU with Intel Core 2 and file size of 5 GB and Windows 7 8.1 or 10. In Android, we need a 1 GB memory and file size is 1 GB, and also Android version 5 or higher to work on it. On the iOS, same as the Android, 1 GB memory and the file size is 1 GB, and the iOS version is 12 or higher. Passing to my next member. Shashman.
Hello, madam. My name is Shazma Ade, and I will talk about our proposed app interface. This is the main page of our Click to Eat app. We added home button, back, and options button to access everything right. New guests can sign up, or if you're a regular guest, you can also log in. The second picture is a sign up page where you have to fill up your information in order for you to register into the system. The next is the login page for our is for our for long time user before and can log in through this page. Now this is the log login main page, which will be stay logged in until you are logged out manually. If we swipe left, you can see your profile picture in the app. We also have 4 sub pages, which is profile, order history, order status, and settings. The next is the page where all the shops around you are shown and most likely for the customer to order. As we scroll it can show more shops available. This is the sub page of one of the food store that the customer going to order throughout the process. This is the page where after selecting the food that the customer going to buy and willing to buy, to proceed the order, click the confirm button. This payment page of our Click to Eat app. We added different type of payment methods to make the customer easier to pay and with cashless transaction. Customer can choose either to add another payment if they have one, or they can continue with the current payment. This is the page shows that the payment is successful and the order will be prepared soon. And the last one is the order status of our Click to Eat app. It shows the current situation of the food that the customer has ordered. It updates every single time after next moment. Now I will pass it to the next member to talk about the poster.
Hi, madam. This is our poster for the Click to Add Eat app. So, as in the instruction, we added objective of the app, the function of the app, and the target user, and 3 pictures of the 3D prototype model. So we made it creative as suitable for the food app, and we added also our names below the poster. And lastly, for the conclusion, so human computer interaction reflects today's society by its ever advancing interactivity society, and people's exposure to the computers and their benefits has been long enough for their to be pushed towards more complex interaction. Nanotechnology, as mentioned, could require tiny computer-driven machines in the bloodstream, or once the next surgery could be done without a human and touching a tool. So, and human computer interaction is not just getting on the internet. Human interaction is also conscious choices society makes that creates needs for more advanced, full of human computer interaction is probably the next paradigm shift in society and people world views that will act as a evolutionary push for greater technologies. And that's all, my madam. And we had it the complete 3D model in our report. The link for the report here and Google Drive and in YouTube also. All right, madam. Thank you.